In this lesson, we will be looking at multiples, but using the ladder method or the cake method to find the least common multiple. This is the page you should be using in your MPJ. So this is sometimes called the upside down cake method or the ladder method. It's using division of factors in order to find least common multiple. You can find the least common multiple of a pair of numbers using the upside down cake method. First, write both numbers in the top layer of the cake. Divide the two numbers by a factor that goes into both evenly. Write the quotients in the next layer. Continue dividing until the numbers in the cake are relatively prime. Relatively prime means that they only have the factor of 1 in common. Multiply the numbers that you divided by and the bottom two numbers of your cake. The answer is your LCM. So here is an example. We're going to find the LCM of 24 and 32. Since both numbers are even, the first factor I should be using is 2. I'm going to continue dividing by 2 until 2 no longer works. So 24 divided by 2 is 12. 32 divided by 2 is 16. Since 12 and 16 are both even, I can continue dividing by 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 16 divided by 2 is 8. Again, 6 and 8 are both even, so I will continue to divide by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Now 3 and 4 only share the factor of 1. This makes them relatively prime, even though 4 is not a prime number. To find the LCM, I multiply everything on the outside of the cake, the numbers I divided by and the two numbers at the bottom. So my LCM is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 4. When I multiply them together, I know my least common multiple of 24 and 32 is 96.